Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. I remain myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so I wanted to show you this popular jazz chord progression, reharmonization sort of. I'm going to do it in the key of C of this song by Don Moen. This song that goes arise 1, arise 5, arise 6, arise 4. Arise, take your place, be a child of a praise. Right. Yeah, so I'm not a singer. If you follow this channel, I have close to 800 piano tutorials, you know. My wife sings better than me. Praise the Lord. Alright, God bless you. Okay, so but I'm going to do a reharmonization on this song, and I'm going to show you a jazz kind of reharmonization. Now look at this. I'm going to show you this, then I'll also teach you. Look at this. So instead of starting arise 1, arise 5, arise 6, we'll do something like this. Arise 4, arise 5, arise, 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 take your place, be a tread for the praise, arise. God bless you. So, before I show you this, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, right, over close to 12 or 13 topics, I taught them in over 2 hours video. You see my fingers, you see the what's it called, the MIDI screen and everything, and it's just 4,000 for people in Nigeria and $12 for people abroad. If you've not gotten that, please check the comment section now. Click my WhatsApp line. Do that when you're ready, though. Click my WhatsApp line now and chat me up that you want to buy your own copy now. You pay and you get it via your Gmail. There's option for PayPal. You can buy from any country. This is a global channel. You all know that, right? God bless you. All right. So what am I doing here? So instead of doing arise 1, arise for beginner, we went to 5. Arise. We went to 6. Then arise. We went to 4. That was like the way they played the original song. So instead of that, you now do, there's something called reharmonization. That means you are changing the chords. You are reharmonizing the song. So it becomes something like this. Arise, arise. So, rise. So what am I playing now? I'm doing, I'll call number system. So I'm doing, I'm in the key of C. So I'm doing, okay, let me just do, I'm doing F, C, F, that's 4, 1, 4. Then on the right, I'm doing 6, 1, 3, 6. So arise, right? The next chord, arise. I'm in G, D, and G. On right, I have a B, D, G, and B. Then you do a movement to the minor third. That's C minor. Arise. So you do C, D, E flat, F, all the way to G. So that's the next chord. So when you are on that one, you now hold C minor together. You hold it, then you play this on the left. You hold your A flat double on the left. So look at it, ba 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 ba. Then you come back. So what we are doing is we went from C, we sidestep to E flat, then we come back. So when you come back to 5, you have a G, D, G on the left. On the right, you have a A, C, F, and G. Watch that. A, C, F, and G. Right. Then you release it by playing G major. Then arise, C, G, C, G, B, E. And congratulations to us on 38 subscribers. God bless you. Share this channel with your friends to subscribe more and comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Let's continue. Alright, then take your place. I love this. This is our smooth jazz. You go to 5. So G on the left, F, B flat, D and F on the right. Then Then you go to 6, 6, 3, 6 on the left. On the right, you have a 7, 1, 3, 5. Then we have a which is a A flat, G to F on the left. On the right, you are just going to do A flat. You're going to do what chord is this? This is sorry, this is F minor. But let me just call the notes. A flat, C, F, then to G diminished, right? Then to F diminished. Okay, so F diminished, which is F, A flat, and D. Then to your 5. So try this chord today and let me know. Right. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.